Pai is a charming and laid-back town located in the mountains of northern Thailand. It's a popular destination known for its natural beauty, serene atmosphere, and vibrant art scene. Here's what you can expect when visiting Pai. Getting there. Pai is situated approximately 135 kilometers 84 miles northwest of Chiang Mai. The journey to Pai involves a scenic drive through winding roads that offer breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains and valleys. Things to do. Pai Canyon. This natural wonder features narrow ridges and canyons, offering panoramic views of the Pai Valley. It's especially beautiful during sunrise or sunset. Pai Hot Springs. Relax in the natural hot springs, which are known for their therapeutic properties. The Sai Ngam hot springs are a popular choice. Pai Walking Street. Explore the lively night market, where you can find local handicrafts, clothing, artwork, and of course, delicious street food. Land Split. This unique attraction features a land fissure that occurred during a 2008 earthquake. The owner has turned it into a little tourist spot, offering visitors snacks and drinks to enjoy while exploring. Pai Memorial Bridge. An old wooden bridge reminiscent of the World War II era, located in a tranquil setting. Pai River. You can rent a bamboo raft or inner tube to leisurely float down the Pai River, enjoying the scenery and cool waters. Pai Strawberry Farms. Depending on the season, you might have the chance to pick your own strawberries in the local farms. Tambok Waterfall. A beautiful waterfall surrounded by lush greenery. It's a bit off the beaten path, so be prepared for a short hike. Pai is known for its relaxed atmosphere and laid-back vibe. It's a place to unwind, enjoy the scenery, and take a break from the fast pace of city life. It is a relatively small town, and many of its attractions are within a short drive or motorbike ride from the center. Renting a motorbike is a popular way to explore the area, but be sure to have the necessary license and take safety precautions. Overall, Pai offers a unique and refreshing experience that's quite different from the more well-known tourist destinations in Thailand. It's a place to connect with nature, experience a slower pace of life, and immerse yourself in a creative and tranquil environment. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more travel guides. And check out my Instagram and TikTok for up-to-date details of my explorations, as I travel the world by moving to a new country every month. Thank you and see you at my next destination.